Panoramic stitching function. Draw out the drop-down menu first. To turn on the panoramic mode. To enter the panorama shooting mode. There are two shooting modes. One is horizontal shooting. Take the first shot. Then move the thermal camera to take the second shot. While shooting, ensure that there is at least a 30% overlap between adjacent images in each photo. To achieve the best shooting results, the minimum number of photo shooting is 2, while the maximum is 9. Then click the check mark to start stitching. After the stitching is completed, click the check mark in the upper right corner to save the picture. Same steps for horizontal photo mode.